So this will be my meal for today, my breakfast for today. So start up with small amount of white rice and a beef steak, beef, yeah. And after that, we will eat this banana. Local name is saba, and two lanzones, cute lanzones, and a coconut water, yeah, for our daily dose of electrolytes, yeah. Yeah.